Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Mai hara mai ki tēnei whiringa whaiti e ki ana ko te top 4 Hurricanes whakataitai I waenganui e nei kura e rua. We're just about underway. Teed off there from the fullback of Napier Boys. Golden opportunity for Palmy. Nice strategic line out. Set piece. Maybe looking to pick and go, keep it in the forwards' hands here. Why wouldn't you? A couple metres out. There's trouble. Just short. To the back of the lineup once again, not straight. Hey, tākaro, well, quick tap taken here from Ahurere Napier. Was looking to respond quickly, and they do so. Looking to maul their way over from some quality line-out set pieces. Boys are in and on. He hapea te kōwhiringa, quick tap, ai. Hene mita noi ho te rereke te tawhiti. And he piro. Sua. To Jamie Vujoan, showing the right hand fend, goes himself to Topatahi. Previously, it's most probably going to work out for them currently. Kisi, certainly deserving of a try. Hit and spin and a roll, still short. Sure, if there's another, then someone will be going in the naughty corner. Left hand side play, posts are right there. Ana, kua pau katoa te wahanga kia e nei kapa e rua ka whakairihia ngā ki te korero ki te pātū o tēnei whare.
Everybody that I know. Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.